Okay, it's been 7 months since Hurricane Ian. Place is getting better, but it's still surprisingly somewhat a mess. These are storm shutters that I have on my house. Different types. Those are the put up panels. Those are the accordion style. This addition is new. I built it. Did all the hurricane upgrades, hurricane straps. Built the deck around everything around the foundation because I wasn't sure how they anchored everything. So reinforced just about everything. A lot of fencing down. New roofs. These are the condos back of me. Most of the roofs are getting done or in the process. Some repairs over here. His pool cage is gone. My shed is gone. This is part of the carport that I did add hurricane straps to, including the rest of the house. I added the Simpson strong ties so that it would hold it down. It held up very well. I hadn't replaced the front part of the roof and it didn't hold up too well, so I got a new metal roof. I don't know if you can see it, but a new metal roof. I've got the accordion shutters on all these windows. These windows are also impact windows. So it really helps to upgrade to the hurricane standards. Makes all the difference in the world. The back part of my roof I had shingled. Did it all up to the current standards and didn't lose a shingle. Metal roofs like the one over there held up surprisingly well. Every house you can see down that way has new roofs. House next door had some damage. Big insurance claim. This guy didn't have insurance, so he did his repairs. This roof just got replaced. This is the roof we replaced for the neighbors here. That roof got replaced. This roof and siding and everything got replaced over here. That roof got replaced. Metal held up very well. This roof surprisingly is trashed more than it looks like. We were trying to help him get it, but the insurance company's fighting him. I found my mailbox down there in someone's yard. There's a canal right here with some docks. And this is where the road washed out. These are part of the condos that are in back of me, in process of getting roofs. All new roofs here. This guy went with a standing seam metal, good choice. These all replaced with shingles. I don't think that one, no, this one hasn't been done yet. This one surprisingly held up pretty well. There's some shingles that got patched in there. But most of these roofs have all been replaced. So right now we're 2 streets over, about a block away. And I just wanted to show some of the commercial buildings up here that got damaged. This one here had extensive damage. The metal in the frame was all bent. You can see in the front it's still a little damaged. They just painted it. Had to replace the doors. The left side here had to be totally replaced. Bent framing members and everything. This one had blown in doors. You can see some stuff there. This building was so trashed it had to be totally removed. That was there. You can see the slab. This one had the doors blown in. This here is a storage place. My storage unit is in this building here, which had to be rebuilt. It's all new metal siding, all new roof. My section is right there, the single door. There's this overhead door, this overhead door, this overhead door, and that overhead door, and the other overhead door were all blown in, and the roof was totally blown off. I got lucky. My little section still had the roof on, so I didn't lose anything. Luckily, most of my stuff is roofing based anyways. So I'm going to give you some more of a tour so you can see another block away. These buildings here are totally new because they had damage. They had to replace their doors there. I don't remember on that building there. Gas station stuff is still in total disarray.